To change your default homepage in the Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting. Tap Homepage. Here you have three options available for your homepage. Quick Access, that you can use to show your saved shortcut on the Quick Access. Current Page, that you can use to set the homepage to whatever site you are currently on. And Custom Page, that you can use to set any website URL that you type as the homepage. As the example, we will select Custom Page. Enter the website URL. And then tap Save. To see how it works, tap the back key twice. Tap the tabs icon. And then tap New Tab. As you can see, the new tab will automatically open the website you have set as the homepage. Given to the function, setting your own homepage makes browsing faster and more convenient. Instead of searching for your favorite site every time, you can jump right in as soon as you open the app. Whether it's your go-to news site, search engine, or a personal dashboard, customizing your homepage helps you start your online session exactly how you want. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.